job here is great. We travel for work, visit beautiful countries, stay in awesome accommodations.
To eat really good food.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's not like that all the time.
it's not always the case.
What if we told you that this isn't like 100% our jobs? Let us explain. Okay, so usually food videos for clients are the best. You get to go to great restaurants, try good food. I got so good we eat hotel food. This is more our style.
This is our lunch lah, that's right. If we in a client video, we aren't eating good food all the time. So most of the time, we are eating cheap. But at least the accommodations we go to are nice.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. Wow!
Oh my god! I'm speechless.
Home for the day lah, friends. Just wow. We went there, we shot there, but we didn't stay there.
Actually, we're not staying at the hotel. This is the hostel that we're at. Alright, so what's real is that, okay, we're the filmmakers, we're the videographers, so you see all those cool YouTubers and all that. That's actually us, okay? That one is real, like that's really us. We are the ones going out there doing all the cool things, okay? So that's really us.
Fools.
Yeah, we're not that cool.
We pissed a whole bunch of people off carrying all our gear, walking through train stations, filming people and all that stuff. And sometimes when we're filming people, they get really angry.
Hello!
Someone waiting.
Stop it and go to the hill. I don't want the police. Go to the hill.
Alright, so now you have a little bit of insight into our lives and you'll soon realize that what you see in the videos is not always what it seems.
What you don't see are the sleepless nights, the days we wake up super early to catch the sunrise,
The stupid lengths we go to get the best
the
shot.
amount of equipment we carry. Oh, it's bad lah, really.
But we do this because we love creating content and hopefully our content teaches you to travel better, smarter
And braver!
and braver as well. So that's it for the Travel Intern time.
Hope you enjoyed this episode. See
Bye.
you!